In my last video, I said I was going to pull the transmission on the Firebird and get that swapped out, but I decided I didn't want two rigs torn apart at once. So today, I'm going to be pulling the transmission on the Firebird, getting the new slave cylinder situated, and hopefully not dropping it for a third time. I'll show a little clip after this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the new slave cylinder and the pickup. All the stuff finally came. So what's going on with this is the old slave cylinder mounted on the outside of the bow housing, and there's a clutch fork in there that'll pivot that pushes on with a bearing on it. And we're getting rid of all that and just replacing it with this. This is a slave cylinder out of a 2002-ish Silverado 2500, which those came with the same 5-speeds. Chevy used this 5-speed for a while in their heavy-duty trucks. So it came with the same 5-speed and then a 6-liter for the gas motor, which on the outside, a 6-liter is the same as a 7.3. So I'm hoping if I throw that slave cylinder in there, it'll work. I forgot to buy shims, but I'm going to throw it in there anyways. I'm getting pretty decent at pulling this stupid transmission out fairly quick, so it's not that big of a deal if I need to buy shims and whatnot. Laying here under my truck, and I think the internet lied to me. Either that or they did some changes on this transmission from the one I have to the one in the newer pickups, because I'll show you what I'm talking about. I got this slave cylinder. It's supposed to just slip over the end of the shaft. Doesn't slide over that big portion right there. So yeah, just my luck. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to buy like an aftermarket one if I try to continue to go with this style of slave cylinder, or what the fuck's going on. The reason I was replacing it was the setup that was on the truck didn't seem like it had enough throw. It wasn't fully disengaging the clutch. But this clutch fork in here can slide back and forth, and if it's in the forward position, it has more, the fork's able to have more throw. So I don't know if I put this back together that way, if the clutch will work better or not, but that sucks. Well, that's shitty. So I might be able to find the nose cone for the transmission off of a slightly newer one that'll fit that release bearing, or the slave cylinder, I mean, or get a different slave cylinder, or just try to make the setup that was on the truck work properly. That's kind of where I'm at. So this was kind of a fail. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, keep between the ditches. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See ya.